Hey everyone, Nut Free Mama here. Today I'm going to show you how to make heart cookies. Okay, let's start off with our ingredients. First you need 1 package of strawberry cake mix, 1 large egg, 5 tablespoons of butter, and you want that to be softened. I'm using unsalted butter, but you could use salted as well. Then we need 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, some all-purpose flour for your work surface. I don't have that out yet. Then you need 1/4 teaspoon of table salt if you're using the unsalted butter. And then we have some frosting. I'm using the strawberry, but you don't even have to use any if you do not want to frost them, or you can make your own. And then some fun Valentine's Day sprinkles. I have some hearts and some little balls. And then, of course, you need a heart cookie cutter. Alright, so first in a large bowl we are going to beat with an electric mixer our cake mix, our egg, our 5 tablespoons of butter, and 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. You just want to mix that on low for 1 minute and then increase it to medium and beat for 2 minutes. Alright, this is what mine looks like. It looks like crumbs, but when you actually squeeze it together, it comes together nicely. So what we're going to do next is just separate this into 2 discs and wrap them in saran wrap and put them in the refrigerator for 2 hours all the way to 24 hours. Alright, this is what my 2 discs look like, and like I said, they're just going to go into the refrigerator for 2 hours to 24 hours. Basically, I just divided my dough in half as best I could and really worked it with my hands to really make it all stick together and incorporate, and it actually stuck together nicely. So just if you do that, you should have no problems. But let's go ahead and get this in the refrigerator. Alright, before you get your discs out of the refrigerator, preheat your oven to 350 and then flour a work surface because we are going to roll these out. Alright, I rolled my cookies out on a piece of wax paper and I found that you don't have to use that much flour if you do it that way, so it's up to you. And it's going to depend on how many cookies you get. I was able to get 9 out of my first disc. It just depends on how big your heart shape cookie cutter is. But they were pretty easy to roll, and you just, you know, re-roll your dough as many times as you need to get however many you can fit on here. So I'm going to leave my other one in the refrigerator, my other disc, until these ones are done. So I am going to put these into the oven as soon as it preheats, just 6 to 7 minutes. You just want to lightly brown the edges. Alright, my cookies just came out of the oven, and you can see they puffed up just a little bit, but not too much, and they smell amazing. So we are going to let them just cool on this cookie sheet for 5 minutes, and then we're going to transfer them to a cooling rack to cool completely before we frost them and add the sprinkles. But look how cute they are. You don't even really have to do that if you don't want to. I'm sure they would still taste amazing. Alright, all of my cookies are out of the oven and cooled off. I was able to get 16 total, so I don't know how I miscounted in that first batch, but I had 8 and 8. So now we are going to go ahead and frost them. I think I might leave these 8 not frosted though, because I think my husband would like those better. But so for these, I just put half of my frosting into a Ziploc bag, and I'm just going to pipe it on and then add some sprinkles for fun. Alright, all my cookies are frosted. Some of them I just piped on frosting and then just spread it with a butter knife. Some of them I left plain. Some of them I just frosted around the outside and the center. So you can do whatever you want with these. So we are going to see what Taste Tester thinks. Hey, Taste Tester!
Hi.
Have a little taste.
Okay. Yeah, that's good.
Do you like it?
Yeah.
Alright, everyone, come back and see us again. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Subscribe.
Happy Valentine's Day!